our problems. What happened to our friends? What's going on with our friends? Orange, what's happening? Ah!
We're in the freezer. Something evil's lurking behind there.
Huh? Ah!
Under the moonlight. Want to run, but you know you wouldn't dare.
Moonlight? Aren't we in a freezer?
You gotta scream. 'Cause all the food in here have become zombies.
Ah!
You start to freeze.
No!
The freezer swallows you, it's no surprise. You're paralyzed. Tonight, and no one's gonna save you from that crazy broccoli now. Tonight, you're fighting for your life inside the chiller.
Darkness falls across a land that's frigid. Terror strikes from an apple midget. The grapefruit monster, now a groaning ghoul, watches a marshmallow skate on his frozen drool. The zombie foods are lurking just down your hall, and a fiendish orange commands them all.
Hey, I'm not a fiend. I'm an orange. 'Cause this is chiller night, and no one's gonna save you from that crazy broccoli now. Chiller night, you're fighting for your life inside the chiller.
I don't want to be a zombie! Stay back!
Why? Did you fart?
Where am I?
You're in the kitchen. Where else would you be?
No, you don't understand. It's the... Oh, wow, it was all a dream. And to think, I was terrified of the freezer.
Freezer? Don't you mean the chiller?
Ah!